All right, so this is number 13 on Solve Quad 12, and they have a rectangular field, which is 500 by 300, and they want to go ahead and build kind of a roadway on the outside of the field here, so that it right here in the field, so that it leaves the inside as 100,000 what units are they? Square yards. So normally, we would be given this inside dimension and we'd add x here and x here, but now we've been given the outside dimensions. But this is still an x value and this is still an x value, and we've been given the inside dimension. So I know that this segment right here has to be 500 minus 2x, because this whole thing is 500 and I can subtract x here and subtract x here. By the same token, this section right here, this inside section, would be 300 minus 2x. So now I have an equation, 500 minus 2x times 300 minus 2x equals the 100,000 that they told me was my area. So now I'm going to multiply it out. I'm going to simplify the equation. And when I do, I end up with x squared minus 400, 400x plus 12,500 equals 0. So you should get down to that equation once you have simplified everything. Now you can try and factor that, but when the numbers are so big, I don't even bother. I just go right to the quadratic formula. So x is minus b, so 400 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4, a is 1, c is 12,500, all over 2a. I just go to my calculator. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my calculator, and I'm going to get 400 plus or minus, this is going to be, here, let's just figure that out, 400 squared minus 4 times 500. So this will be the square root of 110,000 all over 2. So you're going to end up with two numbers here. This ends up simplifying down to about 365. No, that's not right. Let's just take the square root. The square root of 110,000 is 331.7. So this simplifies down to 331.7. So you're going to see that what you're going to have here is you'll have two numbers, 400 plus that divided by 2, which is going to give you 365.8, or 400 minus that, which is going to give you like 34.2. Well, if you take a look at your picture, you're going to see that you can't possibly have this be 300, so you're going to delete this answer and just keep the 34.